Hello viewers, peace be upon you and welcome to another video. Today in this video I will show you how to create features or add new features in a shapefile, or delete or split or cut anything in a shapefile, or you can do any modification in shapefile. Let's start the video. First of all, you have to add your shapefile. This is my shapefile. Here you see a lots of polygons. I want to edit this shapefile, add or delete something. First of all, you have to click here, editor, start editing. Then you have to click here, create features. Then you will see a dialog box here. Here you see, if you click here, then you will see some options, polygon, rectangle, circle, ellipse, like that. You can click here. If I click here polygon, then you will see I can add new polygons here. Click here, then double click, finish. Here you see you already added new polygons. If you want to add rectangles, same, just click here, then click one point, click other point, then just from the mouse you can create a rectangle polygon. If you want to create a circle polygon, then you can just click here, and from mouse you can add any type of circle, any shape with any radius. Same, ellipse, you can you have to click ellipse, then click one point, then other point, then you can create an ellipse. You can also create from your own freehand, like this. Click on freehand, then you can create anything like this. Here you can see how to add polygons, rectangles, or ellipse in a shapefile. Now I will show you how to delete this one. Here you see a edit tool. Just click here and select this one. Then from your keyboard press delete option. If you press delete, then you can delete this one. Then select this circle, press delete, then it will be delete. You can now I will show you how to cut a polygon or circle or any shape. You can cut or divide it into 2 or 3 parts. Just select this one, then click here, cut polygon tool. Then you want to cut this one by a straight segment, then just click 2 points, then it will be divided into 2 parts. If you can also divide into 3 or more parts, like that, or more parts like that. Then select this one, you can cut this one. This is very simple and easy. You can delete by pressing delete option in your keyboard. Very simple.